Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Stock Talk. My name is Julie. If you're new to the channel, welcome. In today's video, I want to talk about Zynga and Take-Two. If you guys heard the news this morning, you know that Take-Two just announced that they're going to be acquiring Zynga. And based on this news, Zynga soared as high as 46% today. So that is huge. So I want to go ahead and take a look at the chart and give you some more information about what this means for this acquisition. So let's go right ahead and take a look. Hey guys, welcome back. So we had another crazy day in the markets today. The SPY dropped as much as 5.5–6% today to 456 from a recent high of 479, but it did make a nice recovery and closed at 465. But that is not what I want to talk to you guys about. I want to talk to you guys about the biggest acquisition in gaming history that we have, which is the acquisition of Zynga by Take-Two. Now, Zynga, if you're not familiar with Zynga, Zynga is an American social game developer that's running social video games and was founded in 2007 in San Francisco. They have games like Farmville, Zynga Poker, and Words with Friends. And if you're not familiar with Take-Two, which I think you should be, let me tell you about some of the games that they are behind, which is Grand Theft Auto, Red Dead Redemption, BioShock, and Borderlands. So Take-Two announced this morning that they're going to be acquiring Zynga in a $12.7 billion deal. Now, if you guys have been following any of the other acquisitions, for example, when Microsoft purchased Bethesda, you know that was a $7.5 billion acquisition, and when Tencent purchased Supercell, that was an $8.75 billion acquisition. So this acquisition of $12.7 billion is going to be the biggest in video game history. And the deal is supposed to go through by June 30th of 2022, so that's this year. So every shareholder of Zynga will receive $3.50 in cash and $6.36 in stock when the deal closes. That's a total of $9.86 per share for Zynga. So that's why you saw that drastic jump. Let me pull up the chart real quick. All right, so you can see yesterday it closed right around 598, and then it made this huge jump to 923. I think it was like 46%, and it ultimately closed with a 40% profit today. So congratulations to everyone that was in that trade. Sadly, I sold my shares in December 22nd, so I missed out, but I did close it for a 12% gain, so I'm not mad about that. I guess you can't win all of them. The Take-Two CEO, Strauss Zelnick, will remain the CEO of the combined company. And some analysts are saying that the deal price is a bargain for Take-Two, as the price target of Zynga has been set as high as $13. Raymond James analyst Andrew Marr wrote in a note on Monday that the deal would make Take-Two a major mobile player. He said, "Mobile remains the largest and fastest growing platform in gaming, and this deal shows exactly how serious Take-Two isn't addressing it." As a whole, the mobile sector is expected to grow 8% annually over the next 3 years, and it's expected that $100 million will be added to the cost synergies within the first 2 years after the deal closes, and they expect $500 million of net booking opportunities over time. Combined, the company can deliver a 14% annual growth rate for net bookings and $6.1 billion in net bookings for the following year. So while Zynga was shooting up, Take-Two actually took a drop this morning, and some people are saying that the drop was due to investors are paying the difference that the company is paying to acquire Zynga. But if you're not already in Take-Two, this might be a great opportunity for you guys to get into Take-Two. And let me show you the chart and tell you why I think so. So looking at the 3-year history, you can see that Take-Two was on a really nice steady uptrend. It made new highs of 214.91, has come down to the 100-day moving average, bounced right back up, and continued upwards movement, came back to support on the 100-day moving average, and right now it's sitting on the 200-day moving average. Now again, this is a 3-year chart. If we go to the 1-year chart, we can see that it's kind of been just consolidating between 144 and 188. So it was kind of like going in this consolidation phase. But again, this would be a great opportunity for you guys to get into Take-Two if you guys are looking for some gaming exposure. Additionally, let's go ahead and take a look at the projection of the price target for Take-Two. So we can see that it has a really strong buy rating right now, and the price targets is from 180 to 235, and with an average price target of 213. So with us sitting at 142 right now, you can see that's a 50% upside potential. So I think this is definitely a buy. I'm going to keep this on my watch list. And I hope you guys do too. If you guys got anything out of this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to my channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.